Ever wondered if those nostalgic disposable cameras from weddings and parties can make a comeback in the digital age? The POV Disposable camera app claims to bring that retro charm into the modern world by letting guests take candid photos, using just their phones, no app download required. Sounds pretty convenient, right? With support on both iOS and Android and features like QR code access for instant photo uploads, it's definitely designed with user-friendliness in mind. Plus, it's been around since 2022 and provides real contact information including email, phone number, and even a physical address, which adds to its credibility. The company is also active on social media, which helps build trust and shows that it's not just a fly-by-night operation. On the surface, it all seems pretty solid for event planners or anyone wanting to crowdsource memories in a simple, app-free way. But once you scratch beneath the surface, some drawbacks start to show. First, it relies entirely on an internet connection to function no offline mode, which can be a problem in remote venues or areas with weak service. The pricing also raises eyebrows. It's not exactly cheap, and for what it offers, some users might feel like it doesn't deliver enough value for the cost. Even though the core pitch is no app needed, in some cases, guests may still need to download an app depending on the setup or the event package chosen, which contradicts the initial selling point. Security is another gray area. There's no password protection, and the ownership of photos isn't clearly explained, which could be a concern for privacy-conscious users. Worst of all, if something goes wrong, there's no refund policy, so you're taking a risk with your money. When you compare it to free alternatives like Google Photos or Warpbin, which offer group photo sharing without any cost, it's hard not to question whether POV camera is truly worth it. So, is it a scam? Not really. Is it 100% worth the money? Also, not quite. It lands in that gray zone legit, but with enough flaws to make you think twice before jumping in.